pardon, sir.
Yeah.
Pa, this program, this television, NIGERIAN Watch. Yeah. The name of this program, NIGERIAN Watch, we call it now your pikin, our brother, our sister, we dey Obodo. Now then she say the story where they will let they tell them different from what people, there are people with their house. They tell them, come be like say the deceased body, they don't know the deceased body. Now you can come out with this program, this TV where they call NIGERIAN Watch, to go meet the grassroots people. May they tell us how it be. Before we start, you tell us your name.
Good morning.
Yes.
I am Felix Onamure Osunde, the audio way of
Our street.
Yeah.
This is our street. I can see say NTA now will be used so with our back. So, Oga, because at the waka come this our street, and people don't draw my attention. I make me come this morning. Oga, what is the situation of this our street?
Well, my dear brother, thank you very much. You see, what I'm trying to say is a good question. If you look at it, we have been suffering in this street.
Yes.
There is no, it's a bad road, there's no road at all. You see, last 2 years, I even draw the attention of people, my co-landlord here.
Okay, sir.
When they will donate money, after we don't donate, now we take go carry grader. Take grader. Come on down. Carry sand. Carry the concrete down for us. We pay 150,000 take grader.
Collectively.
Yes, with the landlord and landladies.
Yes.
NIGERIAN. There is no help. We have been crisis all those days. Let us pass it to come and assist us. At least, if NTA now, the whatever they come out for inside NTA there, you know when they pass through this our road.
Okay.
They bus, if you say they call many people friends, including my friends too.
So whatever they come from NTA, they channel out to the road.
Yes.
Okay.
If they come out.
Okay.
We don't have assistance. We have been trying. NTA cannot assist us. Nobody will assist us. There was a time RTV came here. RTV interviewed us. We said, okay, maybe better one come to us.
Yes.
As we are still talking now, no better, nothing. You can even go see the road. Just take my junction there.
Ugo waka go there. As you now go see, now one of the landlord be there for this our street, the Odion way. And this is our street now off TV road. As you dey see now, this building where they oga back now they see now. Now be NTA Nigeria Television Authority. Now in dey behind. If we go even here now for some the report, it don't that and say they even carry water, come put for the street. And their duty as media outfit to draw attention of state and other relevant authority. Where if we handle this big where they affect this good people of Edo State. They not do. Only now for them to come hard one problem to them. Meanwhile, the Okadu say he want carry waka. Epa mo follow you. Mo waka mo go see. Now our street I dey now. This is our street. 9 day beside NTA Benin and in our off TV road. As na the road we dey so, we can see some waiting some the locals they go through as you go see and so. Now NIGERIAN Watch now I carry this train come here. To come see how the people they cry, they meet us because they say if you go court, judge go ask you say na evidence before me. This one I see me video, not they talk lie. Now I make us come verify those claims and what they tell us to still interview those people where they stay for this area. As you can see, now evidence of flood. We say yeah, all those places when it rain, it go gather. This building structure, every field where they see so now be for NTA. Our street as we talk just now we still there.
I think can even see now.
Yes.
We are close to the water.
Okay. Abeg, before we go there, you sure where they for China the water they talk about just now?
Okay, the water na just from the fence.
Yes.
Not say this fence na just that block.
Okay.
Wey get hole.
For under. Okay, they create hole under.
Yes.
Okay.
The moment they just for now, everywhere go just full.
Where they come from inside?
Where they come from inside.
Okay.
As if yesterday, you say na come yesterday, yeah, full.
Okay.
Yeah, full. No, you know if you take like pass and talk, let's say you want to take me to pass.
Okay.
Yeah, go reach about my junction now.
Okay, sir.
Don't say, go see.
More waka go there, sir. And then say when the people say seeing is believing. as Naija watch no go rest until he bring everything to the world. Mo see our authority to take knack all those problems, solve am, because na duty of people to play their part, and the authority they will do their own way, reconcile them well, because now them be the key player of development. Now then go educate the people on development. But when who go lead road, don't lead road, our others wey dey back want to waka. As you can see, now our lake be this or our street, and the Ojon way now they follow they go. So now they lead me, they go. We take am from TV road junction by NTA. Now we see the pass they go, so enter. This is some adjoining street. Say now I will say now time we rain nearly fall. Say we not fit pass this place. This one na street. This one street, sir.
Lane.
Lane, okay. So you see now some the lane be this, and see you see and say.
This is the street.
Now the street over street be this, and you see say people don't try to barricade me water no fit pass, but as they tell her they say the water wahala
not be small. Inside house.
Okay. As you can hear from the local say they even the entire house. But I bet show us other place where still bad, where still there.
Now we are only here and that junction.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. I believe say this matter it go reach our executive government. And when if we reach here, we believe say it go hard, because the truth say government get people for every area wey supposed to feed them wetin dey happen, but they not dey feed them.
How they do anything?
Because say they get wetin they gain inside. But as the man go see am by himself, he go send people come, he go react. But we will continue to dey push this cause to ensure say attention is given to our street, because this our street leads to so many areas.
Yes. From
here to Second West, Ekiwa Market, all of them e lead to am, and all those areas is not much trouble. All the road, all the adjoining road, all don die. Well done, sir.
Yo,
so yes, sir, we are grateful, sir.